In this video, I'm going to show you how to make shelves on StoryGraph. Start by opening your StoryGraph app. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see a list of all the books you've added to your account. Unlike some other reading platforms, StoryGraph doesn't have a built-in feature for traditional bookshelves. However, you can use the custom tags feature as an effective workaround to organize your books into shelf-like categories. To begin, tap on the first book you want to include in your shelf. When the Books page opens, you'll see a list of existing tags, and just beside them, a tag icon. Tap on that icon. A text box will appear where you can type the name of your shelf, for example, historical fiction, summer reads, or favorites. After typing the shelf name, tap Update. This tag will now be visible as part of the Books tags, effectively acting as your custom shelf. To add more books to the same shelf, repeat the process. Return to your main book list, choose another title, and tap on the tag icon again. This time, when the tag box opens, you'll see your previously created tag appear as a suggestion. Simply tap on it, then hit Update to apply the tag. That book is now grouped with the others under the same custom shelf. You can continue using this method for as many books as you like. If at any point you want to create a new shelf, just type a new tag name into the same text box and save it. Over time, these tags will function like shelves, helping you organize your library based on genre, theme, reading challenge, or any other category that works for you. To view and manage your shelves, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll all the way down until you see the Tags section. Here you'll find a list of all your custom tags, and next to each one, the number of books associated with it. Tap View All to open the full list. You'll now be able to browse through your tags and see the books grouped under each, just like viewing books on a shelf. And that's how you can make and manage shelves in StoryGraph using the tagging feature.